Greetings, Ascended Nation. So I'm coming to you with a late night love 18 plus reading. I'm doing this reading a little late because I had got a little busy. So let's go ahead and get into this quick message. I'm gonna try not to be so long. Okay, so the song that's playing right now is "Hey Lover" by LL Cool J. Okay, so, and I think it's Boys and Men, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, and Boys and Men. Alright, so let's get into it. So the first card we have here is the Page of Cups. Okay, so someone here could be a Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Alright. It says creative opportunities, news, messages, information, curiosity, possibility, a happy surprise, a dreamer could be significant, okay, sensitivity, and then we have new love. All right, so this is a love reading. So something could be significant here about new love for you, collective, okay. Also someone here could be like a dreamer. Something could be significant about some sort of happy surprise, some sort of message, or some sort of information. Okay, so to further clarify this energy, we have retreat. All right, so with this, it says it's time to disconnect from the world. Okay, so someone may want to disconnect from the world. Maybe you and your partner, maybe your partner. Okay, so the song that's playing right now is "Hold You Down." Okay, so travel could be significant. Okay, I'm hearing that also. All right, so from my 18 plus oracle, we have Can We Talk by Tevin Campbell. We have You're My Good Luck Charm by Jagged Edge. We have the Sexual Position, the Tamanaji. I think that's how it's pronounced. Okay. Then we have Kiss It Better by Rihanna. Okay, so something could be significant about that song. Okay, someone could just do it for you or vice versa. All right, following that, we have Superstar. All right, so something could be significant here about you being seen as a superstar. Okay, or you could see your person as a superstar. All right. Following that, we have Your Eyes Tell Me All I Need to Know. Okay. Divine Masculine. All right. So something could be significant here about your eyes or your partner's eyes. Okay. Following that, we have Let's Make a Baby. Okay. So someone wants to retreat and make a baby. Okay. So, also, y'all, the channel song initially is crazy because I had wrote it down in my book. And then today, when I had cut on my music before I started this song, it actually came on. So it's Twister Make a Movie. Okay, so that song could be significant. So next we have Page of Swords. Okay, so a lot of information, a lot of communication. Someone could be watching you as well. Okay, but air energy could be significant here. Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. Okay, so it says you deserve love. You are lovable. Okay, so Spirit is saying, collective, that you are lovable. Okay, you do deserve love. Do not have the mentality. Confirmation with my baby exhaling in the background twice, but but you do deserve love. You are lovable. Okay, do not become discouraged when it pertains to matters of love or matters of the heart. Okay, so to further clarify this energy, we have Shy. Okay, the song If I Ever Fall in Love Again could be significant. Okay, following that, we have Love Like Honey by Pretty Ricky. Okay, so that song could be significant as well. One of my favorite songs. Then we have I Want the Neighbors to Know My Name. Okay, so this song could be significant too. Neighbors Know My Name by Troy Songs. Okay, but someone here wants the neighbors to know their name. Okay, so following that, we have Dinner and a Movie. Okay, so something could be significant here with this Neighbors Know My Name. Something could be significant here about like a at-home dinner, okay, like a nice cooked meal and a movie night or something like that I'm getting. Okay, so that could be significant. All right. And two that go back to like making a movie, like I said with the channel song. All right, so sorry, y'all. So then we have submissive. All right, so you could be someone who is submissive, okay, or you could be submissive for the right person, okay. Following that, we have someone loyal, okay, is significant. A best friend is significant as well. All right, so someone who is not only your life partner, but someone you look at as a best friend also, okay, or someone you can call your best friend, okay. Then we have truth hurts. All right, so with this truth hurts energy, and this is clarifying the Page of Swords, I feel like something could have been spoken or said, okay, maybe someone may have tried to hurt your feelings in a way, or not even that, maybe the truth, okay. Maybe some of you maybe broke it off with someone, or just maybe you even told somebody about themselves or something like that, okay. Or someone could be fishing for information, and maybe they found out something or saw something that they, you know, due to the fact of the spying or whatever it may be, or fishing for information, they found out something that maybe hurt or something like that. But Spirit wants you to know you are deserving of love, okay? So then we have sex in the kitchen, all right? So that could be significant as well. The song by R. Kelly, okay? So someone could be like in their prime, or just feeling good, because this song by Kanye, Can't Tell Me Nothing. I've been channeling that song, and that's what I get from that song. You know what I'm saying? Just reassurance, okay? Like knowing what you deserve, knowing your worth, okay? Yeah, so then we have hickeys all over my body, okay? So someone may like to leave hickeys, okay? Or something about hickeys, okay? So next we have the Ace of Swords, all right? So something could be significant here about some sort of mental clarity, okay? Someone could be giving you some sort of clarity, or you could be receiving some sort of clarity in reference to something, okay? Something significant here about a success, breakthroughs, okay? When it pertains to matters of love, because this is a love reading, okay? Or matters of the heart, all right? So something also about your mind could be significant. Someone could be like attracted to your mind, okay? You could be someone who's attracted to the mind as well, okay? And this does talk about new beginnings as well, all right? And decisions, okay? Maybe you, with that truth hurts I saw too, you making a decision surrounding something is significant here too, okay? So, from the love oracle, we have getting to know each other. Okay, so we did see new love. Excuse me, we did see new love. Okay, with the Page of Cups here. All right, so it says, as you reveal your innermost selves to each other, your bond deepens. We did see something about eye contact, okay? Your eyes tell me all I need to know, okay? So I'm getting that as well, all right? We did have two cards too that talk about communication, information, messages, all of that good stuff, okay? Then we have calling in your soulmate. So you're calling in your soulmate collective, okay? It says your prayers, affirmations, and visualizations help bring you together, okay? And two, like something could be significant here about Archangel Michael assisting you when it pertains to this, okay? Of course, Source is helping as well, all right? Then we have true love, all right? So not only is this a soulmate, this is true love as well, okay? So it says this is the romance of a lifetime, okay? And then following that, speaking of lifetime, it says past life relationship, okay? So it says you have known each other before, okay? So you could be gaining some sort of clarity when it pertains to some sort of past life relationship, okay? And some sort of true love as well, okay? So, to further clarify this, we have my earth angel, okay? 1111 could be significant. You could be saying 33, you could be saying 44 as well, but whatever this is protected, okay? Someone could see you as an angel. Like I said, with this Ace of Swords, I was picking up Archangel Michael, okay? So someone could see you as an angel, you could see your person as one, okay? Then we have the day of two occasions, all right? Day and night, okay? Someone thinking of you, all right? Day and night is significant, okay? You could be thinking of your person as well, day and night. Hence the calling in your soulmate, okay? So visionary is significant, okay? Following that, we have Kiki Wyatt, my first love. All right, so something could be significant here about a first love. Okay, a lifetime love. Okay, I just heard a lifetime of passion as well, so that could be significant. Okay, following that, we have quality time. All right, so something significant here about you spending quality time with this person, or you all spending quality time with each other. We did see the retreat card. Okay. And this quality time is giving me lifetimes, okay? So then we have the close up, all right? So this is another sexual position, okay? So something could be significant about that as well, all right? Getting to know each other is giving me that energy too, okay? Like not on a sexual level, but you know, like up close and personal vibes. So then we have I love it when you lick my neck, all right? So this goes back to the Hickey card that we saw, and to on this past life relationship card, the man is actually uh about to kiss the side of this woman's face or her neck or something. Okay, so yeah. Following that, we have date night. Okay, so that's more of that getting to know each other energy. I did say something when I saw the dinner in the movie. Okay, so that could be significant. And the song is playing I Belong to You, okay, by Rome. That could be significant, okay. Then we have Let's Make a Love Scene, the song by Joe, okay, so that could be significant. Some sort of spontaneity is significant. A lot of movie energy I'm picking up here, okay. So some of you could be like movie heads, you could be into movies, okay. Making movies is heavily significant. Following that, something could be significant here about a shroom trip, okay, being outside your body, all right, so this could be something that you or your person like to do, or something that you will be introduced into doing, okay. Take what resonates, what doesn't, just leave it here, okay. So then we have direct me in, okay. So someone wants you to direct them in, okay. Maybe it's been a while, okay, or maybe they like for you to there's someone who likes for you to maybe lead, or tell them. Talking dirty could be significant as well, okay. Following that, we have computer love. All right, so something is significant here about computer love as well. Then we have Tony. Someone could also be watching you. I did pick that up off of the Page of Swords card too. So that's double confirmation with the computer love. So we have Tony, lay your head on my pillow. Okay. So I get a lot of intimacy off with that song, okay? Then we have angel number 888, all right? Your love life is attracting a positive and healthy relationship, okay? So that goes back to the you deserve love, you are lovable, okay? Following that, we have whisper in my ear, talk dirty to me. So that is double confirmation. So what I was saying, okay, so someone likes to talk dirty, okay. Someone could also be very loud, all right. A loud moaner could be significant, okay. A lot of talking could be significant. Then we have Meeting in My Bedroom by Silk, okay. So silk sheets could be significant, all right. Something could be significant about silk pajamas or lingerie, okay. So serious could be significant. Someone who is looking for something serious, no play, okay. The Lovers is significant, all right. And cuddling afterwards, okay. Someone who is like very affectionate, very touchy could be significant. Following that, we have I'm calling you in, beloved, okay. So we did see calling in your soulmate, okay. Following that, we have let me feed you. So someone here could like to cook, Okay. All right. You, your person, or you and your person. All right. Could like to cook. And then we have you touched my soul. All right. So that's everything I have for you, collective, when it pertains to this love reading. I hope you all enjoyed. And I'll talk to you in the next one.